As a motorcycle rider, you know that engine oil is an important factor in keeping your bike running smoothly. But with so many different types of oil on the market, it can be tough to choose the right one for your bike. That's why we've put together a list of the 10 best engine oil for the Z800. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect stand mixer for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Restore 000168 cylinder formula engine restorer. If you're looking for a way to restore your engine's performance, reduce oil consumption, and restore cylinder compression, then check out our engine rebuild kit. Our rebuild kit is designed to restore your engine to its original condition, and it's a great way to improve your engine's performance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Mobil 120764 5W30 synthetic motor oil. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 is specially formulated to help protect your engine from the 5 factors that can damage engines over time. It helps to protect critical engine parts for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, controlling oxidation to prevent oil breakdown and maintaining excellent viscosity. In addition, it meets ILSAC GF6 standards to help provide low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear protection, while keeping your engine clean and helping to improve your fuel economy. At number 3 on our list, we have the Valvoline Premium Blue 1 Solution. 1 Solution technology is the ideal choice for a wide range of heavy-duty engines, including diesel, gas and natural gas applications. This product is endorsed and recommended by Cummins, one of the world's leading providers of heavy-duty engines. 1 Solution technology's outstanding oxidation resistance supports long oil life in heavy-duty engines. In addition, this product provides superior wear protection for hardworking heavy-duty trucks and equipment. At number 4 on our list, we have the Valvoline Daily Protection SAE 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Motor oil is an essential part of your engine, and it's important to use a high-quality oil to help minimize everyday wear and protect your engine. AMSOIL synthetic motor oil is proven to provide consistent lubrication and defense, optimize power and fuel efficiency, resist oil breakdown and sludge, and protect your engine in even the most severe weather conditions. AMSOIL synthetic motor oil is also formulated with added detergents to keep your engine clean and reduce the likelihood of costly repairs. At number 5 on our list, we have the Mobil 1 Extended Performance 120766 Extended Performance. As the manufacturer's recommendations vary from vehicle to vehicle, it is important to consult your owner's manual to determine the best oil for your car. However, a good advanced full synthetic oil can help prevent deposits and sludge buildup while providing excellent overall lubrication and wear protection. It is also precise in its balance of additives, which helps provide outstanding engine protection against thermal and oxidation breakdown. This oil also has exceptional control of oil breakdown, meaning your engine will be better protected for a longer period of time. Additionally, it has good low temperature capabilities and quick cold weather starting, so you can enjoy engine protection even in the harshest conditions. At number 6 on our list, we have the Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life technology. If you're looking for a motor oil that can offer you exceptional protection against wear, temperature, friction, and corrosion, then look no further than our Valvoline Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Our oil is fortified with advanced additives that help keep your engine running smoothly for longer. In addition, our oil also contains detergents and anti-corrosion agents that help reduce sludge, deposits, and rust. So, if you're looking for a motor oil that can help your engine run like new for years to come, then Pennzoil Platinum is the perfect choice. At number 7 on our list, we have the Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage. If you're looking for a lubricant that can help your high-mileage engine perform at its best, look no further than our fully synthetic formulation. Our lubricant provides 50% more wear protection than the industry standard, and it's enhanced with anti-wear additives that prevent unwanted metal-on-metal contact. This can help to reduce costly repairs by minimizing exhaust system damage. Our lubricant is also 25% more effective against deposits than the industry standard, and it contains extra detergents to keep your engine clean. Additionally, our lubricant contains state-of-the-art seal conditioners that can renew aging seals and prevent leak. At number 8 on our list, we have the Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage. If you're looking for a lubricant that can help your high-mileage engine perform its best, look no further than our fully synthetic formulation. Our lubricant not only provides 50% more wear protection than the industry standard, but also contains extra detergents to keep your engine clean and functioning at its best. Additionally, our seal conditioners help to renew aging seals and prevent leaks. At number 9 on our list, we have the Briggs Stratton SAE. Briggs & Stratton small engine oil is designed and proven to meet the demands of 4-cycle engines. Our oil products have been approved by Briggs & Stratton engineers, recommended in all operator manuals, and is a high-quality detergent oil classified SJCD by the API. This oil is perfect for keeping your small engine running smoothly and performing at its best. It's available in a variety of viscosities to suit your needs, and it's easy to find at your local retailer. So don't wait, order your Briggs & Stratton small engine oil today. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Delo 400 SDE SAE conventional heavy-duty diesel engine oil. If you're looking for a heavy-duty motor oil that is both made in the USA and compliant with post-2007 low-emission engine requirements, then look no further than our premium quality product. Our oil is formulated to provide outstanding performance with both ultra-low sulfur diesel and normal and low sulfur diesel fuels. It can also be used in older conventional engines and gasoline engines. Our oil is formulated with isosin technology for unsurpassed protection and performance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.